di
ada juga. Sebentar Pak, nggak muncul ini di satu. Nur Anissa, Sudini, Wasono, Tiur, Germa, Desi, Nurana, Sulami. Nggak ada nih Pak, sebentar Pak.
dia memang di daftar nggak ada Pak.
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada.
Yeah. Tapi Pak Dar bisa memberi nilai itu?
Yang mana?
Yang Pak Dar bisa memberi nilai yang Bapak fotokopi, foto Bapak fotokopi.
Oh iya, jangan-jangan keliru saya itu.
Ya, ada ini.
Nama siapa
Bapak,
itu?
ada muncul Jin itu.
Kalau
Jin
gitu
Vita.
Ini Nur Anissa, ini
Nur Anissa.
salah gitu.
Tapi di Pak Dar yang di Bapak kirim tuh, itu di tempatnya Jin itu. Jin Vita. Ya.
Di mana?
Yang Bapak kirim tadi, itu.
Oh iya, itu rekap saya di Excel.
Oh,
saya
sorry,
pakai Excel itu.
Oh, ya. Nggih, siapa? Berarti saya, paham kalau gitu paham. Makanya saya cari kemana-mana kok. Nggih, kalau gitu kita terus ke
Dia.
Dia, sebentar, ya, Pak cari dia betul enggak? Dia. Iya.
Dia pun tak ada Pak.
Dia yang lagi enggak ada nih Pak. Yang
Iya.
ada Diasi. Yang ada Diasi.
Desi atau yang Hasbiani Dea.
Oke. Itu dia yang laki-laki dari Maluku itu.
Kalau gitu ini Dea Rusdi.
Yeah,
kita pakai anu sendiri Pak.
Oh,
kita
gitu.
pending ya dulu nih.
Kita pending dulu. Terus aja Pak. Kalau gitu saya.
Oke, kalau gitu kita mulai.
Siap.
Oke, selamat siang Pak Gatot. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ini Rusdi, Dea Rusdi, apa namanya, Rustana ya. Oke, siang hari ini kita akan menguji Anda dalam ujian komprehensif PPG. Mohon untuk rileks, ya, jangan stres. Kita tidak menakutkan, kita hanya ingin tanya berbagai hal yang mudah-mudahan Anda bisa menjelaskannya apa yang ditanyakan oleh penguji. Oke, sekarang untuk pertama silakan Pak Gatot.
Terima kasih Pak. Terima kasih Pak Dar. Oke. Ya, dia Rusdi. Oke. So you're from Maluku, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, you have already uploaded at least 2 lesson plans. Okay. Now please tell me why you choose that topic.
Why I choose that topic? First, my reference is about semester program and years program. So my activity is for the next semester for the first meeting. So I decide it will be better if I create the lesson plan for the next semester. So I will be ready if I teach the students about that material.
Okay, so the choice consideration is about teaching the material in the future semester. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you have already chosen that material, now how do you decide what kind of instrument you need to use to maximize the target of the learning and teaching process?
How I choose the material. First of all, I
The
will,
instrument. The
yes,
instrument you
instrument.
use to maximize. Yeah.
Instrument. First of all, I will it best for the student, sir. So my instrument is according to the situation of the students.
What do you mean by the situation of the student?
Uh, instrument. Uh, it's like I give an example about my material is about simple present tense, sir. So in this material is talk about daily activities. So the instrument is about what they do, what what they activity in every day, like that, sir.
Not clear. Not clear.
Not clear. So the instrument.
You are teaching English, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
What topic? Simple present tense.
Like simple present tense, sir.
Forward level.
Senior high school.
SMP. Senior high school.
Junior. I'm sorry, sir. Junior high school.
Junior high school. Simple present tense. Okay. Now, just tell me, how do you teach this?
How I teach the students. Uh, I will try to like connect the material to the students' reality, sir.
How to connect?
How to
How to
connect?
relate?
Like I will ask them. It's a simple present tense. It means that talk about like daily activity, yes, sir. So I will ask them about what they do, like in the morning, what they do after school, what they usually do in the midnight, what they do like at school, like that, sir.
After that, after
Uh,
asking this question,
After asking the question, I will ask them, yes, sir. I will ask them to like make like a simple sentence about what they already say, and
if it
then
is writing, yeah, if it is writing simple sentences,
yes, it's
okay.
writing.
How do you integrate thoughts and creativity in the
Thoughts.
process of the teaching then?
Okay, sir. So the thoughts that I applied in my lesson plan is about to make, sir. So I give a picture from the slide. I will display the slide, sir, to them. So there's a picture, some picture. So I will ask them to.
Can you show me the picture?
Oh,
Can you show me the picture?
already, sir. Okay.
Okay, so
So
what it
sorry,
is?
sir, it's not responding, sir.
You have student project. This is what you usually do every day. Then
Okay,
you will make a
this is,
list.
sir.
Yeah. Is it like this?
Like this, sir. This I choose the HOTS is about create to make, sir, make sentence.
Make sentence.
Yes, according to the
Oh,
picture, sir.
yeah, that is on the sentences, okay?
Yes,
Writing the sentence based on the formula, on the pattern, right?
yes, sir.
Now, why you didn't think about text-based teaching? Text-based teaching.
Pardon me, sir. What?
Why you didn't think about using text-based teaching?
Oh, task-based teaching. Uh,
Text.
yes, text-based teaching.
If it is
Actually,
only asking the student to write a sentence
yes.
based on the pattern,
Okay.
you are teaching structure but not productive. Okay, but if you have a text and then they will, yeah, the text can be simple, can be intermediate, something like that. It's up
Okay.
to you. But
Yes,
this
yes.
will be able to bring the student the area of localized and real setting of using simple present tense.
Thank you, sir.
The picture is trying to give the context, yes,
Yes, sir.
but you only ask the student to write sentence. That is not text-based learning, not
Okay.
text-based teaching, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if it is using text-based learning, text-based teaching, whatever it is, how do you handle this one?
Text-based teaching. uh, I what about this, sir? Text-based teaching. Uh, may- Maybe
You are
if I
teaching
use yes, yes, yes,
simple present.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
you
sir.
are teaching
If
simple
I
present tense.
use task text-based teaching, I will ask them to make a sentence, make a like a simple paragraph like that, sir. About like them choose either two or three picture and then like describe. No,
I am asking you.
yes, sir. So I like that. Maybe I will uh, let them choose two or three picture, and then I will ask them to write the paragraph according to the picture. That like that, sir.
Yeah, what I mean here that creativity of the student will be developed if you are providing the opportunity to think logically and to think holistically, right? If it is only writing sentence, yeah, you are teaching the pattern. That is not
Okay.
enough.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, how do you plan to decide or to design a text to help the student learning simple present tense?
First of all, I will show them like a video like that, sir. And then I will guide them slowly about the structure to like improve their understanding from base to advanced, sir. So then I will like guide them how to create a simple sentence and then become a paragraph.
Yeah, that is too general. How to make the paragraph? In a paragraph, you have to cover at least an
Yes.
idea, some supporting sentences, and then concluding sentence, for example.
Okay,
How
sir.
to, yeah,
It's maybe because it's a first meeting, so I just uh, explain about the base, just the base, sir. It's maybe for the second or the third. I will try to uh, add the task-based teaching, sir. It will maybe consider. For now, I have no idea yet.
yeah, that is not clear yet. But I just want
Yes.
to ask you like this. How do you develop the student creativity in learning English in terms of mastering simple present tense?
A simple present tense about the creativity, sir. I will use the technology. Uh, Actually, in my school, hopefully, there's a Wi-Fi. So for the student that have a smartphone, I will ask them to make a group. For those don't have the smartphone, so then they make a group, and then they will find. I will ask them to find their own picture, and then they will make the sentence based on the picture they found, like that, sir.
What kind of picture then?
Picture is about I will give the theme about uh, daily activities, sir. So the
Daily
picture
activity.
is about what they usually do every day.
And then after having the picture,
Taking picture, I will ask them to like make a sentence.
are you going to have a free sentences for them? Is it free to
Uh,
write the sentence?
no, sir. I give them the structure, sir. So they have to follow the structure.
The structure.
Yes.
Are you sure that this technique will be working for maximizing the target of the teaching
For
by
now,
having the picture?
for
Yeah,
now,
what
I
is
am sure, sir. For now, I'm sure. If there's like something wrong with my lesson plan, I will do reflection, sir, about what is minus and plus of my lesson plan, sir. Then
okay?
I will like apply for the next meeting.
Yeah, you are teaching in a very remote area, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so creativity from the teacher, innovation from the teacher will be very important because the target is to make them able to master English. They do not like English. That is the reality, right?
Of course, sir.
Okay, so that is the problem. You must be sure that you are professional at pedagogy and also didactical area.
Area.
So
Yes.
if they do not like English, but your duty is to teach them English, what do you do for maximizing the teaching?
Maximizing. I will always apply the fun teaching and learning, sir. So I will
What
make
do you mean by fun? What
by
do you mean
fun.
by
So
fun?
I will like tell jokes, so they're not boring about the activity. Or I will like make apa ya? What is called? Mm, apa ya? Like a simple game, sir.
What do you mean by
Like
simple?
simple games like this, sir. Example for if I make a sentence, so like subject, object, predicate, and like that. So I will ask for the first student to come forward to like determine the subject, and then they give the marker.
No. You didn't answer my question.
Oh, what was it?
You are going to design, right? They dislike English. They are living in the remote area, right?
Yes, sir.
My question, how do you maximize the teaching in order to influence them like to study English?
Eh, like that, sir. I make a
Like what?
fun, like make
Yeah,
fun and
fun.
interesting. I tell them about the joke, so they didn't boring. So I
What
make
kind of job? What kind of job? Is it still related to the English teaching or
uh,
icebreaker taking from others? What kind of job?
it's joke. It's
And then
like uh, it's connected to the material, sir. If I'll give
that's it.
example,
Yeah.
if I give example
Give the
in
example.
like in our pakai ini ya, sir, in our daily ini seperti begini. Misalnya, eh sorry, sir. Waduh, kok ngeblank ya?
Ya, relax, nggak apa-apa.
Yes,
Yang
yes.
penting ngerti.
Sorry.
Mereka nggak suka bahasa Inggris,
Yes.
harus diajar bahasa Inggris. You menyebut salah satunya melalui joke. Nah, joke
Yes.
yang seperti apa? Fun yang seperti apa? Kalau fun asal fun, jadi pelawak nanti. Tapi fun yang ada hubungannya dengan English. Nah, gimana itu?
Okay. Like
Didesain.
this,
Ya.
by design. Okay. Misalnya seperti ini. Like saya suka makan kambohe. Kambohe, it's mean like banana with coconut milk. So
Terus gimana?
if I say kambohe,
Nah,
they think my dialect is fun, sir.
iya tuh. Berapa satu
No,
kelas muridnya?
no, it's no. I understand the students like jokes, sir. So I just adapt with them. So
Uh-huh.
I think what is funny for them, yeah, I do.
Yeah, you did it. You do it.
Yes, yeah,
But this
it's not.
this must be in the area of the English teaching, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
that's it.
absolutely.
Okay. And then what else?
Uh, so far, I just attract them their attention with
That is only
no, sir.
one. That is
Yes,
only one point. You are mentioning the word fun, right? Fun
yes.
teaching. Okay.
It's fun
So,
teaching.
okay,
Also,
yeah.
I didn't like the another teacher that they like can what was like what kind like they usually not like smile in the class. They didn't like to uh, like uh, make approach with the students. So I do the opposite, sir. So
No,
in
no,
the
that
class, no,
that
no.
is different. Not like that. What I mean here, this is about designing the material.
Oh, design the material.
Right. That this must be maximized
Maximize.
in order
Okay.
to influence the student, like to study,
Okay.
able to master.
To I will use like if I uh, improve the design of the material, I will use technology, sir. So this like
Yeah, what kind of
they
technology
uh,
and
like
how to use?
slide and projector, sir. So
That
they
old
so
fashioned. That is
yes,
old
yes, sir.
fashioned.
They more attract about the video, sir. If I show them video, they will wow, like keren, it's
Video nyil,
cool.
video nyil.
No, sir. A video about my material, of course. So if I like ice breaking or just for a bit relax, I will show them a fun video.
Mhm.
So they'll make a little bit lower, sir.
Mm. Okay, whatever. Okay. So designing material will be very important for your local student.
Yes.
I underline this point. They dislike English, but you have to teach English. So you have to maximize the media, maximize the strategy, maximize the techniques, maximize anything you have.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about this area? How, what aspects should be maximized? Then,
It's hard, sir. I will be so thankful if the students want to attend to the school, sir.
okay, that's good. That's good
That's
point,
it.
right? Attending the school make you happy as a teacher.
Yes, of course,
All
sir.
right, meaning this is hard to come to school, right? But
Yes.
now it is online. Online, you
Uh,
are mentioning this is online program right now. You are mentioning technology, right? Okay.
yes, sir.
They dislike coming to school. They dislike learning English. And then you are trying to influence them by providing or by using the devices from computer, for example.
Okay.
Now my question, how did you practice as your learning material and learning process?
How did I what, sir?
Pack. How did you prepare?
Oh, uh, it's about what, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, it's kind of hard, sir, to find like technology.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, so lack of technology here, sir. So it will be. I will be lucky if the school have one projector, like one computer. So
No, no, no. This is out of the
yes, yes, sir.
our concern, right? Your point is to design the material in a very complicated area, and the student is like to study English. Okay, this is in remote area. And then you mention technology, you mention creativity, you mention arts, you mention the other parts. My question very simple. How do you handle this in a very effective in terms of maximum
How
design of didactics and design of pedagogy in mastering English?
I just do the
That
best,
is,
sir.
yeah, Yeah,
Just
do the
to do that,
best
sir.
by what? Yeah. The model you have already presented here, that is having picture like this.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is only one of the possibilities, right?
Okay.
But if I ask you, how do you design in the complexity of your problem like that? This will be very important because you must be very strong in living, in being alive as a teacher in a remote area. The didactics must be there, pedagogic must be there, material must be there, technique must be there. How do you plan to maximize this? Fun, yes.
Okay.
Make them happy. But how to make happy? That is your duty
My
in
concern. Okay.
developing the material. Yeah. What is it?
Uh,
Jadi tugas saudara itu berat. Ayo cepat, jangan lambat-lambat.
okay. I just try to make them interest to English, like show them the video, like whatever that they haven't seen uh,
Yes.
for they for their school, right?
Hmm.
So I like a new. I will make a new atmosphere for them.
Okay.
Sir.
All right. Okay. You got the key terms. You try to bring new atmosphere. Yes, this is very important. Okay. But the atmosphere will be created and innovated by you. That is very important. Okay. Your skill in understanding pedagogy and didactical area must be very important support for you. Right? So you
Okay,
will
sir.
be a real teacher, permanent teacher, not tukang guru, because you understand the area and you try to maximize whatever you have without blaming the situation, but you try to elaborate as well.
Elaborate.
Okay, so you try to be sure that learning, learning will be very important in order to maximize the target of learning outcome by the student. Okay, I just want to underline this one. This is in the era of digital. Whatever you have must be designed right now, online teaching. That is not only covering whatever you have already done in Luring and then you bring to the online. That is not enough. But the spirit of giving the task, the assignment must be typically help the student to study. Now, what kind of assignment you plan to give to the student?
Assignment. Uh, it's a era of digital, yes, sir. So
Yeah,
from the okay, let me share screen one more time. Okay, sir. It's like this, sir. So I understand that the digital era of 21st century is demand us to use any of technology like that, sir. So from now, the student is familiar with smartphone.
yeah.
Yeah, like that, sir.
Are you
So
sure that they have smartphone? Are you sure
uh,
that they have smartphone?
maybe 2 or 3.
That is your problem, okay?
Yes.
So
Okay.
make sure about this one.
Okay.
Yeah, how to maximize 3 or 2 smartphone for learning for those students. You
Learning from
must
the
be able to
student.
design,
Okay.
right?
So from the problems, or if they didn't have smartphone, so I will ask them to
Yeah.
borrow their
Uh,
parents maybe. If,
that is technical. What I
okay.
mean here, what kind of penugasan you have to prepare?
Okay. Okay. Like that, sir. Uh, I have a like simple project here, sir. So I will ask
Mhm.
them to use their smartphone to take picture. No,
Take
no, no, sir.
picture.
Take picture, and then they use the background of the picture, and then they will edit, and then they ask. Not only take picture, they also can browse the background from the internet, sir. So I will ask them
Yeah.
to like you make list of what you usually do every day or your daily activities. So from the background that they found, they will edit the picture, and they will add the sentence like that, sir.
Okay, I just want to remind you, focus on simple present tense. Text will be created. You give the model, and then you try to give them the opportunity to master maximally. You are designing the area of the topic being understood, and then the assignment must be clearly stated. And if it is online, the project must be very clear, online characteristic, not luring you bring to the daring situation, right? So this will be very important for you. I will do, I will appreciate you if you can mix this maximum, because you teach the student in a very complicated area.
Thank
It
you,
is
sir.
like English, the facility is not enough, something like that. But you must be a good teacher, not tukang guru.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
do the
sir.
best. This is your humanizing point of developing your career and also helping others.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Badar. Halo, Badar.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks also Pak Gatot. Okay, well, so not we still have some questions about your lesson plan. Okay, I'd like to have you hear the tujuan pembelajaran, the
Yes.
instructional objective. Okay, can you explain to me why you have the verbal the verbs here, like membedakan, and then membuat kalimat. Okay, and okay, so at least you have two types of verbs here. What do you classify this type of verbs?
I classify the learning objective based on the material, sir. So, like, if we teach the students, we have to teach them step by step from lower thinking level to high thinking level. So I decide for them first. I have four learning objective. So the first one is uh, they can find the apa ya? Jadi yang pertama mereka menentukan ungkapan. Ya, jadi so I will give them like example ya sir, contoh gitu. So they will guess, what is it, what they do, like that, sir. So and then I will after they understand what the material, so I step to another level, sir. So they can like use, they create their own verbal sentence, not like oral sentence, sir, about what they have found about the material, sir. And then step to another high level. So I ask them to create the sentence that they have learned according to the picture that I give. And then after that, I will give the like a simple project or homework, so they just can develop their understanding and learning by themselves, sir.
Oke, jadi you telah rumuskan di tujuan pembelajaran dan juga indikator pembelajaran itu menggunakan C6, C6. Okay.
C6, yes, sir.
The first indicator is C2, and then you jump up, okay, into C6. Okay.
C3, sir.
Okay.
C1, C3, and then C6, C1, C3, lalu C6, sir.
Di mana C1, C3? C3-nya yang mana?
What lesson plan that you see, sir?
1 RPP Bahasa Inggris 8. Ini RPP yang keberapa?
What material, sir? I'm sorry.
Asking and giving information.
Oh, asking and giving information about ongoing activity, sir. No?
Our busy roads.
Our busy roads. Our busy roads. Oh yes, sir. Ongoing activity.
Oke, jadi ini yang dari C2 langsung loncat ke C6 dan C6 juga. Oke. Nah, saya ingin gimana you bisa mencapainya itu. Oke, you menggunakan model pembelajaran TPACK sama project based learning. Can you explain? Can you elaborate the connections of the instructional objectives and
Yes, sir.
the learning model or the teaching model?
Teaching model. Okay. The connection. Okay. Jadi about technology, sir, I already explained before that I will use projector and slide, sir, for my tools to teach them. So I hope that the technology that I use can support my lesson objective, sir.
Jadinya saya belum nangkap dengan apa yang you siapkan di misalnya di medianya itu kan. Medianya hanya menggunakan bahan tayang.
Iya, bahan tayang, slide, sir. Iya, Pak.
Sekarang gimana you bisa yakin bahwa indikator itu atau tujuan pembelajaran itu bisa tercapai
ya, Pak.
Hanya dengan menggunakan bahan tayang.
Oke. Jadi begini, Pak. Saya berusaha untuk menggunakan sesimpel mungkin cara agar anak-anak bisa mengerti, ya, Pak. Terus saya juga menggunakan every resource yang ada di lingkungan saya, ya, Pak. Jadi lingkungan saya itu yang ada hanya kalau teknologi PowerPoint yang saya bisa pakai, lalu proyektor. Dan untuk internet saya sangat agak ragu sekali, ya, Pak, kalau bisa dipakai untuk anak-anak membrowsing kayak video di YouTube, soalnya WiFi itu kan WiFi bantuan dari pemerintah, ya, sir. Jadi kecepatannya cuma 1 mega dan dipakai satu kampung. Nah, jadi saya usaha untuk apa ya, sir? Kayak what I've got from the internet. Jadi saya usahakan masukkan ke dalam media pembelajaran saya seperti video. I browse every picture that relate with my material. So jadi dalam tampilan slide itu saya sisipkan evaluasi, sir. Jadi misalnya pembahasan tentang pengertian dan struktur itu, lalu setelah slide itu setelah penjelasan, explain, di bawahnya ada evaluasi. Begitu. Lalu bagian kalimat positif, di bawahnya juga ada evaluasi, sir. Kayak begitu. Jadi every one or two slide, I give them evaluation, sir. Untuk melihat apakah tujuan pembelajaran saya sudah tercapai atau belum.
Iya, karena di sini itu dia hanya menyebutkan di media dan alat bahan serta sumber belajarnya itu hanya yang bisa saya tangkap di luar dari alat ya. Itu hanya bahan tayang. Nah, bahan tayang ini kan yang katanya kamu sesuaikan dengan yang ada di lingkungannya. Lalu tiba-tiba you mengatakan diambilkan dari video. Nah, sekarang kalau dengan video, terus bagaimana anak itu bisa belajar? Nah, sementara mereka pun limited smartphone, lalu limited buat internet. Yang katanya satu kampung itu hanya satu apa tadi?
1 mega, Pak.
1 mega gitu kan. Gimana mengatasinya? Nah, pada sisi yang lain, you menyebutkan di sini dengan menggunakan adanya projector. Jadi sebenarnya kamu itu mengajar dengan sistem online kah, offline kah, atau blended kah, atau apa gitu?
Saya di sini mengajar offline karena online sangat tidak mendukung sekali, Pak. Jadi untuk resource-nya itu saya download dulu, Pak. Saya download semua. Kayak video, gambar, itu saya download semua dulu, lalu saya masukkan ke dalam slide. Kalau bisa saya masukkan ke dalam slide, saya masukkan ke dalam slide. Kalau tidak, ya saya hanya putar dari luar saja, Pak, dari luar slide. Lalu saya tampilkan ke proyektor, Pak. Seperti itu.
Tidakkah media yang sangat bagus adalah yang seperti yang you sebutkan tadi, dari lingkungannya. Ya, let's say di sini you ajarkan tentang asking and giving information about things around us. Kenapa Anda tidak menggunakan media atau bahan-bahan yang ada di lingkungannya? Itu kan hanya untuk masalah asking and giving information about.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Oke. So jadi yang saya upload itu kan teaching set 2 dan 3. Saya tidak tahu kalau Bapak bisa akses yang teaching set pertama, jadi saya agak bingung. Oke, iya. Iya, I'm sorry, sir.
Yang di-upload mahasiswa.
Miskonsepsi, sir. Oke.
Yang di-upload mahasiswa saya itu tidak tahu di mana. Saya akhirnya masuk ke LMS. Ya, saya cari-cari linknya itu yang mana ya.
Busy Roads. Things around us.
Nah, baru setelah sekarang itu saya bisa link ke mahasiswa, daftar mahasiswa, baru kalau saya klik mahasiswa baru muncul. Nah, itu kan saya tidak ada waktu untuk baca.
Iya,
ya, jadi ini yang mungkin Anda harus berpikir banyak how to handle the poor in the poor sources, ya, mostly the modern technology based sources. Ya, you have only the nature. Okay.
Yes, sir. Of course.
And then I think that's it. I think it's enough. The time is over. Jadi ini udah banyak rangkaian tadi yang ditanyakan oleh Pak Gatot. Dan juga tambahan dari saya. Itulah gambaran kemampuan yang bisa kami tangkap dari Rusdi Rustana. So I think it's enough for the examination, and then we'd like to close this examination. Okay. Oke, selamat siang. Di sana makannya sudah zuhur kali.
Iya.
Oke, oleh karena itu kami akan selesaikan tugas ini. Oleh karena itu dipersilakan untuk leave dari ruangan ini.
Thank you very much, sir.